हे गाइज, हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज वाली वीडियो उन सभी एस्पिरेंट के लिए यूजफुल है जो कि तैयारी कर रहे हैं HPSC PGT RPSC असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर एंड अदर स्टेट्स। अगर आप भी अपनी तैयारी को बूस्ट करना चाहते हैं तो इस वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें। ये हैं जो RPSC असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर जो प्रीवियस ईयर एग्ज़ाम हुए थे, ये उन्हीं के क्वेश्चन हैं। 75 नंबर क्वेश्चन हम प्रीवियस जो वीडियो है उसमें कवर कर चुके हैं। आज 76 से स्टार्ट करते हैं। और 76 क्वेश्चन इज फॉर फार्मूला ऑफ जैसे साल्ट इज KPtCl3C2H4.H2O। ये एक ऑर्गेनोमेटेलिक कंपाउंड है। और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अल्काइंस एड ऑन अ हाइड्रोजन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ लीनर कैटलिस्ट टू गिव सिस एल्कीन्स। नेक्स्ट इज रिएक्शन ऑफ फेरोसिन विद एन इक्विमोलर अमाउंट ऑफ एसिटाइल क्लोराइड गिव्स a product in which cyclopentadienyl ring undergoes Friedel-Crafts acylations. Our next question is which of the following organometallic compounds cisplatines PtCl3C2H4 negatives organometallic compound. Our next question, alpha D glucose and beta D glucose are anomers. Next is Barton reactions involves photolysis of long chain alkyl nitrides having delta hydrogens. Our next question is our reaction proceed through intermediate mechanisms is free radicals. Our next question is in carbonyl compounds NiCO4 FeCO5 CrCO6 the hybridization state of central metal atoms are sp3 dsp3 d2sp3 hybridized. Our next question is pyrrole on होफमैन एग्जेस्टिव मिथाइलेशंस गिव्स। ये पायरोल की स्ट्रक्चर दे रखी है और इसका आंसर होगा सेकंड, जो कि है 1,3-ब्यूटाडाइईन। और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच वन इज ए नॉन रेडिएटिव ट्रांजिशन इज इंटरनल कन्वर्जेंस। एक होता है फ्लोरेसेंस होता है रेडिएटिव ट्रांजिशन, फॉस्फोरेसेंस इज रेडिएटिव ट्रांजिशन, इंटर सिस्टम क्रॉसिंग इज आल्सो नॉन रेडिएटिव ट्रांजिशन, क्यूमुलिनेसेंस इज radiative transition. Therefore, interconvergence is non-radiative transition in Jablonski diagram. Our next question is which of the following reagent is used in Oppenheimer oxidation is aluminium isopropoxides. Our next question is a reagent used for cis hydroxylations of double bonds is OSO4. Selenium oxides is used in CS2 change into CS2 into carbonyl compound. Rene-nickel is used for reduction. LDA is a strong base. Then OSO4 is only reagent which is converted double bond into cis hydroxylations. Our next question is the reagents table for stereospecific reduction of beta ketoester and beta diketones is Baker-East. Our next question, which of the following reagent is used in Arendate ester synthesis of acid is CS2N2. Next question is how many nodes are present in LUMO of 135 hexatriene. इसका LUMO क्या होगा, HOMO होगा इसका psi3 और LUMO होगा psi4. Then number of nodes is n-1, 4-1 यानी 3 number of nodes in LUMO of 135 hexatriene. Our next question is pick up the cis-benzene hydrocarbons, which is second option is the correct answer. Our next question is the reagent used in polymerization of isoprene into natural synthetic rubber is Ziegler-Nitta catalyst. Our next question is which metal is present in chlorophyll is magnesium. The process of conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into NH4 positive ion is known as nitrogen fixation. नाइट्रोजन जो एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन है वो जो मेमल्स होते हैं उनके द्वारा इनहेल नहीं की जाती, इसलिए उसको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ता है NH4 पॉजिटिव में नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन के द्वारा. और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग इज यूज्ड एज फेज ट्रांसफर कैटलिस्ट इज क्राउन ईथर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन द रिएक्शंस A with zinc amalgam HCl RCS2 R plus H2O is the final product. This reaction is Clemson reduction. Then ketone is the reactant. Our next question, the active species intolerance reagent is AgNH3 twice positives. Our next question is the reaction of D-glucose into D-mannose is known as epimerization reactions. Our next question is nitrobenzenes when reduced with zinc plus NaOH gives hydrozobenzene. Our next question is the role of alum in purification of mediwater is that of coagulant. Our next question is both hemoglobin and myoglobin are paramagnetic in nature due to unpaired electrons. Which one of the following base is not present in RNA is thiamine. RNA के अंदर होता है यूरासिल और DNA के अंदर होता है thiamine. Our next question is the structure of ICL4 negatives is square planars and there is geometry is octahedral geometry with two unshared pair of electrons, lone pair of electrons. Effective atomic number of metals atom in effective atomic number of metal atoms in FeCO5 and CO2CO8 are respectively 36. The unit of molecular partition function is dimensionless. There is no units. Next question is the energy level of a particle of mass m in a box of length L are quantized. Which metal is present in myoglobin? Iron. The number of pyrrole nuclei in hemoglobin is and R is 4. NH3 molecules belongs to which point group? C3b point groups. Which pairing of molecule of a point groups is correct? H2O C2b point groups. The point group of methane is tetrahedral. The Stokes-Einstein equation is D is equals to RT divided by 6 pi neta R and A. Huckel rule states that a conjugated polymethane will be aromatic. Huckel rule states that a conjugated polymethane will be aromatic if it contains 4n plus 2 number of pi electrons. 1,6-dicarboxylic acids on heating with acetic anhydride gives cyclic ketones. Protein on acidic or enzymatic hydrolysis gives L-amino acids. Which of the following complex is likely to show optical isomers? Cis-CO, NH3 twice, ethylene diamine twice. Which of the following is Persian blue? KFe3 positive, FeCN6 2 positives. If the ratio of viscosity of polymer solutions to that of viscosity of the solvent be 1.102 at a polymer concentration of 2 gram per liter, calculate the arsenic viscosity for determining the molecular weight of polymers. Limit of C tend to 0, neta by neta naught minus 1 divided by C is equals to neta. Neta is arsenic viscosity is equals to 1.102 minus 1 divided by 2, which is answer is 0.051 liter per gram. Which of the following molecular partition function is equals to static weight? G is electronic. Our next question is assuming degeneracy to be unity, the ratio of number of molecules having energy 3 kT and 2 kT is n by n naught is equals to G e raised to power minus delta E divided by kT. 1 into e raised to power minus delta E की वैल्यू जो है 3 minus 2 into kT divided by kT. kT से kT cancel, answer is e raised to power minus 1. Our next question is how many different ways can 6 distinguishable molecules be placed in 3 different energy levels with 3 molecules in first, 2 molecules in second and 1 molecule in third level, ignoring any requirement of energy. The number of way W is equals to 1 factorial divided by A factorial, B factorial, C factorial. Therefore, n number of molecules is 6 factorial divided by number of molecules in first level is 3, then 3 factorials, second level is 2, then 2 factorials, third level is 1, then 1 factorials. Then answer will be 60 number of ways. The operator dy dx operates on 2 functions, a e raised to power ax, b is sin ax. Which of the following statement is correct? A is eigenfunction, b is not an eigenfunction. The expectation value of the distance of an electron from the nucleus in the ground state of the hydrogen atoms is equals to 3 by 2 a naught. Our next question is, which of the following molecules belongs to the same symmetry group as NH3? NH3 have C3V point groups, therefore CHCl3 is also C3V point groups. Our next question is, when a substance A was exposed to light 0.002 mole of it react in 20 minutes. If the same times A absorbs 6.02 into 10 to the power 6 photons of light per second, calculate the quantum yield of the reaction is, second option is correct answer, 1.66 into 10 to the power 11. Our next question is, absorbed wavelength in atomic absorption spectrums appears as dark lines. Lines which appear in absorption and emission spectra of a substance have wavelength which are same. Background in atomic absorption spectrum से is bright हैं तभी dark line मिलेंगे. Which of the following physical change is measured by TGA, mass loss? Our next question, with regard to thermal analysis, a student made two statements A and B. A statement is the differential temperature is plotted against times to obtain DTA curve. B statement is the differential temperature is plotted against temperature to obtain thermograms. Select the correct answer. Both A and B are true statements. Our next question, which of the following techniques is based on the measurement of temperature difference? Differential thermal analysis. Next question is the incorrect statement regarding chain growth throughout reaction process. A polymer is made from the monomers terpenoxylic acids and ethylene glycols, with the latter being in excess. The polymer obtained would have hydroxyl groups at both the ends. Among the following four methods, NMR spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy, mass spectrometry, titration, and group analysis is performed by all A, B, C, D. Polystyrene, polyacrylonitriles, polyvinyl chloride prepared normally are mostly atactics. The catalyst for anionic polymerization is not boron, trifluoride, and water. Find the point group of tetracarbonyl nickel is tetrahedral point groups. Determine the point group for SF6 is octahedral point groups. What is the main result of adding surfactant into a liquid composed of two immiscible phases such as oil and water? Reduction in the interfacial tensions between the phases. Among the electrolytes, Na2SO4, CaCl2, Al2SO4 whole thrice, and NH4Cl, the most effective coagulant agents for negatively charged Sb2S3 solution is Al2SO4 whole thrice. Next question, among the following the surfactant that will form micelle in aqueous solution at the lowest molar concentration at ambidentate conditions is CH3, CH2 whole 15, N positive, CH3 whole thrice, Br negatives. Our next question, which of the following property increase abruptly when micelle are formed? Surface tensions is increase. Which of the following factors causes CMC to increase? Hydrophilic groups placed in the surfactant molecule centers. Its degree of polymerization as 10,000 is first. Find MW for polypropylene gives its degree of polymerization as 10,000. Correct answer is first, 4.2 into 10 to the power 5. According to Stirling approximation, the value of terms ln n factorial is given by ln n factorial is equals to n ln n minus n. Our next question is term symbol for Na is Na have electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Then last electron enter into 3s1 orbitals, then 1 electron. L की वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे 0. Therefore s स्पिन कितनी है हाफ, स्पिन मल्टीप्लिसिटी कितनी होगी 2, देयरफॉर 2s. J value is L plus S, 0 plus half, then half, then term symbol is 2s half. Our next question, pick up the planar molecules. NSiS3 whole thrice, angle is 120 degree. Our next question is the strongest conjugate base is H negatives. Identify the type of isomerization present in nitropentamine chromium's linkage. Benzene diazonium sulfate on treatment with ethanol and copper powders gives diphenyls. ओके गाइज, ये इस वीडियो का लास्ट क्वेश्चन था।